Shandong Joysource Wood Company Limited was established in 2017 and is a professional supplier of panel furniture including TV stands, wardrobes, dressing tables, sideboards and furniture sets for living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas and storage spaces. Joysource works with its partners to provide complete solutions from design and material selection to color matching and packaging, making it easier for customers to use the furniture. Our team also offers guidance during order placement to help clients choose the right furniture for their space. We ensure each order is delivered on time with consistent quality and perform inspections to make sure every piece meets the agreed specifications. Our products feature modern looks, practical layouts, easy assembly and safe packaging, suitable for wholesale, retail, and e-commerce markets. We provide OEM and ODM services including logo customization, packaging design, color and material coordination, and structural confirmation to meet client requirements. All products follow ISO 9001 quality procedures and are supported by BSCI FSC and CE certification documents from our partners. Quality inspections before shipment ensure appearance consistency, functionality, and safe packaging. Through overseas warehouses and reliable logistics, Joysource provides flexible shipping options, fast delivery, and reliable after-sales support for international